Hello, welcome back. We have our card class, we have our deck class, and we've just been able to make a deck. So a deck gets filled with all the cards with these nifty little 4 lines here. And now we want to shuffle the deck. Once you get the deck, you have it all in order, but let's shuffle it. That is quite easy. So let's say shuffle deck and self. First off, we need to use random, so I like importing stuff at the beginning, so let's import random. And so when I come down here, I'm just going to return, random.shuffle self.deck. I think that's all we need. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to run it. I'm going to say war equals deck. First we need to make the deck, so war.make deck. So now that's filled up with values. I'll pull this up so you can see it. And now I just need to say war.shuffle deck. And now if I look at war, I think I need to print war. Now you can see that it has all of these values and they are not in any order. So we have shuffled our deck. That looks great.